Now, you may already know that your IRA can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds. You may even know that your IRA can invest in things like real estate with a self-directed IRA. But did you know your self-directed IRA can also buy other tangible investments like gold and silver and other precious metals? It's true. Investors have been doing this since the mid-70s, and it can be a great retirement asset to hold for long-term stability. Now, these precious metals can be held in all types of tax-advantaged accounts, like a self-directed traditional, a self-directed Roth, a self-directed SEP or 401k, even a self-directed HSA or ESAs for your kids or grandkids can own precious metals. Now, one part of the process that's a little bit different with holding precious metals is the fact that we have to have a third-party storage facility hold the assets. You're not allowed by IRS rules to hold these assets on your personal residence or your person. We also don't hold them here on site at Directed IRA. So there are IRS approved and Directed IRA approved and vetted depositories that we use to hold the asset on behalf of your retirement plan. Now, if you haven't set up your self-directed plan and you're interested in investing in precious metals, the first step is create a login at Directed Connect. In Directed Connect, you're going to fill out the application and you're going to establish your self-directed plan. The next step is we're going to need to fund that plan. It can be funded through a transfer from one of your existing IRAs, maybe at a broker-dealer like Fidelity or Charles Schwab. It can be a rollover into the self-directed plan, maybe from an old 401k, an old 403b, a TRS, a TSP, a plan of a previous company that you worked for, and you'd like to move that to Directed IRA to invest in precious metals or any alternative asset. Or if you're opening up maybe a plan for the first time, maybe you're opening up some ESAs for your kids or an HSA, you can make a contribution to that plan right through Directed Connect. Now, if you have any questions at all, book a call with one of our IRA account executives. We would love to help you get started in your road to financial freedom through self-direction.